All right, we're going to look at that one more time. So I'm going to try a different one. I'm actually going to try this one, which is looking up is one of the harder angles to draw when you're drawing a person's face. But I'm going to try it out anyway. All right, so again, first step is I'm looking at the shape of the head. I notice that my head is kind of angled this way just a little bit. So when I'm drawing that oval, I'm going to make sure my oval is also angled this way just a little bit. Then I'm going to draw my neck and shoulders. So my neck kind of goes here. I'm noticing this where my chin is here. I'm noticing that my neck hits my chin at about this point here. So I'm going to do the same thing here. It kind of goes in just a little bit, and then my neck comes down. And then I'm going to draw my shoulders off, just kind of very simply. All right. Okay, so now I'm going to find the midpoint, that midline, right? That midline kind of comes down like this. So that means that my midline is going to be approximately like that. After the midline, I'm going to look at where my eyes, nose, and mouth. So my eyes, the line of my eyes is here. And so I'm noticing that this distance is pretty short compared to this distance, right? So again, I'm kind of estimating, but I think it's going to be about here for my eye line. And now I'm looking at kind of where my nose is. The nose line is actually pretty close to the eye line and compared to where my mouth is. So, because again, my head is angled back, so proportions are not going to be what you expect. And then my mouth line is kind of down here. There's a little bit more space between my nose and my mouth. All right, so now I'm going to add the simplified eyes, nose, ears, and mouth. I'm looking at where my ear is. Notice how my ear is all the way down here, which is not where you would expect it to be, but here's the line of my chin, and then my ear kind of comes right off of it. So my ear is going to be down there. Then I'm going to add just kind of like, I see my nose is essentially this kind of triangular shape here. So I'm going to add a little triangular shape to my nose. I'm just going to add a quick, this is, again, we're simplifying. Where are my eyebrows? Oops. I may actually, again, add in my glasses. And then just adding, I mean, when I say very simple, like ridiculously simple, mouth. And then I'm going to add my hair because it does cover, actually you don't see much of it right here. It does cover a lot of my neck and my ears. And that's it. That's all you have to do, okay? So you are going to do 10 of these. Each of them should be in a different angle, looking in a different way. Only one of them can be straight on, okay? Again, draw the shape, look for that midline, look for the lines for the eyes, nose, and mouth, and then add your simplified features.